My beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to do you something slightly different. This is not a disaster wheel cleaning video or disaster leather cleaning video. I'm going to educate you and show you why exactly you need to be doing maintenance leather cleans and why it's so important. So first of all, if you have come for the 50/50, you can find those other videos on our channel already. However, this is my pride and joy. Of course, I'm going to look after it, because if I don't, I'll be an idiot. So because of that, and in general, you guys who watch this, what if you answer this question inside your head before I give you the answer? What is the majority of your car detailing usually? You know, at what level is it? The answer is maintenance detailing. You might put in a week or two of hard work, and then you're going to maintain the finish. You are not going to let the car not be washed for the next 6 months and then do another disaster or prep detail, okay? So, leather is very important, okay? In today's standards, even though in this car, it's got, you know, upgraded fine nappa leather all over the place. I love leather, it's fantastic. Now, this leather was deep cleaned for me, by me at the start. It was then coated. However, this car is now, yes, before anybody says it, I do drive the living hell out of this car. It is about to hit 7,500 miles, and my hands are consistently on the wheel. Now, body oils, of course, will then penetrate the leather. You get sticky leather, you get shiny leather, you get discolored leather. It's completely horrific. Now, our exfoliator method, 100%. You do not do that on a weekly basis. You will over clean the leather and you will remove the coating from the top of the leather, and you will see a difference in color and perishing of the leather. Now, maintenance cleaning is just as satisfying, okay? But it's even easier than doing any exfoliator trick, anything like that. So, this brush here, I have color coded this brush. This is just my way of saying this is my interior brush. This is the Detail Factory, of course, the best of the best on the planet, and this product needs no introduction, right? Our interior cleaner 4-in-1. Now again, look what I'm doing. I'm shaking the cleaner. Every bottle, regardless of how long it's been sat, needs a good shake. Now this leather has not been cleaned for about a week. Am I going to go in with an abrasive tool and scrub it? No, no point. Of course you can. The steering wheel is not going to implode on itself, but if you over clean the leather more times than you should incorrectly, your steering wheel is going to die. So I've got one of these, I've got our interior cleaner, and I've got literally one interior towel to remove the residue. Let me come show you how it's done. Now there's a few ways you could do this. You could of course spray it directly into the wheel. You're going to get overspray anyway. Don't be that guy, okay? You can spray it directly into a towel. That is a good way of doing it. Now on this, I just want to give my leather probably a 1.1 strength in terms of cleaning, okay? So look, I have preloaded my brush. Can you see that? I've got product in there. And honestly, what I'm going to do, imagine you are Da Vinci and you're painting a painting. Just go around with it and work it in. Now what you will see, look at the way that's building the phone. I'm not even scrubbing this. I'm moving the cleaner around. Let the product do the work, okay? Now the most important goal with this is you've got to remember maintenance cleaning is 9 out of 10 cleans for you. You will do top up protection details, you will do top up decon details, but this is where you're going to be at every weekend in your garage or driveway doing it, right? If you really wish, hit the center console or the airbag, work it in. Right, there we go, see? Beautiful. Now this is a virgin towel. All I'm going to do, again, I'm not putting any pressure on anything. All right, you just need to imagine you're doing a car dry. Thank you very much. If you want to split the towel a bit more, because there's a few more nooks and crannies in here. Just dry it without putting any pressure on. So nice and quick video. As you can see, what a simple one tool and what one product can do. All right, now again, like I said, this wheel has been maintained by us from new. So before somebody says, oh my god, the steering wheel wasn't moldy, guys, like I said, if you are true car enthusiasts and you like looking after your car, irrespective of value, that really doesn't matter. But if you like looking after your car, don't let probably the first or second most touched part of your car get greasy and oily. If you do this weekly, and an exfoliator treatment, which is on a previous video, where you do a deeper clean probably once every 8 to 10 weeks, if you continue with that kind of maintenance schedule, but as I said, this method is going to be your go-to. If you do that, your steering wheel, I know you can't feel and you can't sense through the camera, but if you listen, it's just like a very nice silky kind of feeling. It's not tacky, it's not grabby. It's just, you know, OEM leather back to start. So hope you found this video informative once again. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you do this method? And if you do, how often are you cleaning your steering wheel? All right, I'll catch you guys soon. Cheers.